Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube page. In today's video, I'm doing a review for WIG. Now the WIG did send me out a headband wig, so let's get right into unboxing this unit. So this is a loose wave headband wig. It does come with a set of headbands. I got set 3. If you don't go on their website, you can see which set you would like to get. So here are the headbands. I have different colors. I think I have 5 or 6 headbands that go with this wig. And also they do provide a duffel bag. So if you want to store your wig inside a bag, inside of the box, this helps protect it and make it last long. Guys, look at those curls on this wig. So it has the two-tone like an ombre effect. This unit does come with 4 combs, 3 at the top, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as a Velcro strap that goes on with the headband wig. So let's get right into installing. Like I said, this is a headband wig. It's 20 inches, 100% human hair. And as you can see, I am raking through the curls to make it have the loose wave effect. This unit did come curled already, which is a plus for me, but I love like a wavy textured curl. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video and stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts. Bye. You already know what the deal is if you stuck around to the end. So my final thoughts on this wig is this wig is pretty. It's light. The length of it is perfect. The color, I might dye the color. The hair itself is really good. I did experience some shedding with this unit, maybe because I was using my hand to comb through it. Other than that, you're good to go. So this was a quick, easy headband tutorial. This one is really good. The fit on my head is very snug. This is 100% human hair, and this is how long it looks on me. As you can see, this is the length. Like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this unit from WIG. If you are interested in this headband wig, the link will be down below. Don't forget to use my code right here. I'll wait for you. Go ahead, use the code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.